Hey, I'm just chilling in the woods, bro. Nothing too crazy going on out here. I wanted to give you guys a little video because I know that you've been begging for one. So I'm back. Knotlocks here, doing a little dreadlock update from the woods. I love being in nature, man. The sun is crazy right now too. We have an extremely high humidity and smog warning right now. So like, it feels like there's wildfires happening here in Ontario, even though there's a ton of them happening in the rest of the country right now. So the air quality right now is not like the greatest. So what I've been doing, man, I've been yeah, I don't know, I guess I've been taking a little bit of a break from videos for a minute, but I've been inspired again, and we're doing it. I want to let you guys know that I am doing a lot more skating vlogs lately, and there's a link in the description to my vlog channel where you can see a lot of skate footage if you guys are into that. And you know, the beard is coming in actually pretty good. It's getting pretty thick. I have trimmed it a little bit, but nothing too crazy, right? Like, and I trim up around here too. Bah, ew. The locks being mad lengthy these days. Mad lengthy, and yeah, it's the hottest days of the year right now, and I'm still managing with them, so they're not getting trimmed anytime soon, let me tell you that much. You know, oh, we got some good progress happening with them though. I've been working out a bunch, you know, and yeah, if you guys do work out or not, like what kind of regiments are you doing? How many days a week are you guys working out? But anyways, regardless of that, we are still doing a lot of dread reviews here on the channel. And what's going to be happening with that is they're never going to stop. In fact, they're just going to get getting more creative at this point. And the grind continues. So instead of playing video games on my downtime at work, I brought my computer to do some editing. So this video is going to get put up real soon. You know, just want to stay more productive, stay on the grind. Unfortunately, my channel got a copyright strike the other day on a cannabis video. The same sort of content that kind of bungs down this channel a little bit. There's a big protest happening this Saturday here in Toronto. Freedom Rally, July 24th, 2021. And this is going to be a huge event, so I will do a vlog from that as well. And on Sunday there's actually kind of a skate contest happening, so that should be interesting as well. A day of skating. The lock's getting mad lengthy though. You can see how they're changing color. Mad color change happening right now. And that's natural, right? That's normal. It's normal. I don't mess with no dyes, I don't mess with no bleach, so look, even my beard. It's got like these blonde hairs, red hairs growing in there too. Yeah. Got people in the background. So don't worry, I'm just making a video here, peeps. Where'd they go? And what else can I really say right now? Not too much. So enjoy the show. I'll give you guys some vlog footage from the woods here. that all these trees are ancient cedars, cedar wood, but they're special because they've been around here for thousands of years. Now I know they're not the tallest trees, but they've been blasted by really cold weather in the winters and stuff. So these trees are really cool because they can expose their roots and still survive and grow through rocks. A lot of these trees here are growing straight out of rock face. Like, you know, even these cedars down here. Ontario is known for trees like this. So it's really, really beautiful seeing all these cedar woods here in this forest. Yeah, I want to add one thing here. Is like the best thing about being a dread tuber is actually connecting with the community itself. And there's a lot of people on here that I've met in the past and in the present, and people that I've just been commenting over the years, and I recognize the names. And it's great to see like the support in the lock community, especially in the free-form world right now. I think it's bigger than it's ever been. And getting people together to understand that their hair is natural and beautiful builds confidence. And I love seeing this confidence being boosted out there in the real world with people, with individuals. So, you know, keep on sending that love and feedback. If you have gained any enlightenment from this channel or confidence in growing your locks.
The nation.